The yellow tennis ball hit the net. The tennis player hit the tennis ball against the wall with his tennis racket. The woman hit her finger with a hammer. The karate man hit the cigarette with his left foot. The businesswoman hit the clock with a hammer. The female golfer hit the golf ball out of the bunker. The businessman hit the glass with his fist, and the glass cracked. The man hit the safe with a demolition ball. The Titanic hit an iceberg and sank to the bottom of the ocean. The footballer hit the football with his right foot. The man on the left hit the man on the bottom with his left foot. The water from the waterfall hit the rock. The waves hit against the pier during the storm. The chef hit the pot with her ladle. The drummer hit the drums with some drumsticks. The ball hit the back of the net. The angry man hit the money safe with a baseball bat. The woman hit her boyfriend in the face with her right fist. The businessman held the hammer in his hand and hit the giant ball into the sea. The snooker player hit the white ball with his snooker cue. The golfer hit the golf ball with his golf club. The golf ball was on the tee or golf peg. The woman hit her boyfriend with a pillow and he fell off the bed. They were having a pillow fight. The overweight woman hit the weighing scales with a hammer. The judge in the courtroom hit the base with his gavel. The female boxer hit the punching bag with her left blue boxing glove. The golfer practiced hitting the golf balls on the driving range. The golfer hit the golf ball on the driving range. The female tennis player hit the yellow tennis ball with her tennis racket. The man with a giant sledgehammer faced his fears. He hit his fears with a sledgehammer. A bolt of lightning hit a skyscraper during the night. The female golfer hit the golf ball out of the bunker. The golfer hit the golf ball towards the green. The man hit the nail with a hammer. The woman hit herself in the face with her right fist. The wrecking ball hit the brick wall. The boy hit the punching bag. The darts player aimed at the bullseye and hit the target. He hit the bullseye. The driver accidentally hit a female biker when he was driving his car. The woman hit her man with a frying pan. She was really angry. The female volleyball player hit the volleyball with her hand. The boy hit the ball with his foot. The badminton player hit the shuttlecock with his badminton racket. The cricket player hit the cricket ball. An asteroid hit planet Earth. The bowling ball hit the bowling pins. The baseball player hit the baseball with his baseball bat.